unboxing more Pokemon cards today. So let's get started. They're all basically open on the back of it. So this will actually kind of be hard to do. Let me do this. Our first one is a Draco. Next one is a Porygon, which I think we got in the last video. We probably got this in the last video of unboxing Pokemon cards. Now I have a Tangela. The Chansey. Enchanted Hammer. Iron Steed. Next one. Maybe Cow Wheel. The Cow Rattle. The Kaiju Rattle. I don't know how it's pronounced. It's the Cow Rattle. That looks like a brain rock character. But I don't know who it is. We have the Glalie. He looks like a Super Bowl character. To be honest, he actually does. Next one is the Whirlpeed. If you watched the video that was made on May 31st, we got a Whirlpeed. The Parker. Then we have a Slugma. Oh! Beware. Nah. Two Mask Oregon X. Basic energy. It's thundering right now. Next one. First one is the Sandshrew. Next one is a Yaipon Jackmaku. We had this last video. Poliwag? Did we get this? Lucky helmet. Let me just put that on. Subscribe to Adidas King. Okay, Pokemon tool. The Myena. Then we have Iron Bundle. This is in the future. 2050. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Adidas King. So today, I'm doing another video of unboxing Pokemon. That's crazy. Rillaboom. Boom. Boom. Rillaboom. Sweet Fairy. Now, Alaxium. Basic energy. Time for the next pack. Next one. Aeron. Community Center. Kabara. Orchidachi. Hot Flower. Daylight Giraffe. boomerang energy. Then I beat Ten growth. Ah, that's crazy. We got no rares. Basic energy. But that is crazy. We got no rares. Oh, do we have a rare? Let me see. Oh, this is our rare. The last Pokemon pack of the video. Poochyena. Flappy Pig. Timber. Then a leaf food. Reverie room. Rila boom. Glaceon. Litwick. Let's see. Energy. And then Walking Wake. Walking Wake. I think we have a basic energy. Basic energy. If you want to watch more of these things, subscribe, go to the channel, subscribe, watch my shorts. They're all edits. Subscribe. Bye.